Do you have trouble cleaning headliners? Well, I got you covered. Colton here with S&S, back with another Tech Tip Friday. This time we're here for round 2, and we're going into headliners. 3 things behind me. I got a brush, microfiber cloth, and some Wow Miracle Cleaner from Stinger Chemicals. And we're going to talk about what that can do for you when you clean headliners. Let's check it out. So now that we're inside the car here, got my upholstery brush, hard bristled. The harder bristled, I think, the better. Throw over a microfiber towel. I'm just using an edgeless black microfiber. You can use really any towel you want. Edges don't really matter. Spray some Stinger Wow Miracle Cleaner. Again, this is an ammonia-based cleaner. Really good for headliners, made for microfiber seats. Spray a little bit on that. I can spray a little bit on here. Don't want to get too saturated for the headliner. And I can just scrub away. And I can already see a noticeable clean. Again, this headliner wasn't too bad. Easy way to clean headliners. Spray a little bit of Wow Miracle Cleaner on here. Put a microfiber over a brush. Use the brush to spray the headliner. The microfiber protects the bristles from doing any damage to the headliner. And effectively, you get to clean your headliner without oversaturating it, in which headliners will begin to sag. So, now that you saw, that is an easy way to clean headliners. Like I said, we use Wow Miracle Cleaner from Stinger. Pretty much designed for headliners and microfiber fabrics. I also used this upholstery brush, the stiffer bristled the better, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Again, stiff bristled brush, microfiber cloth. Right here is the ticket. The cloth protects the bristles from doing any damage effectively to the headliner, and then you just spray it down with a little bit of cleaner. We use the ammonia-based Wow Miracle Cleaner from Stinger Chemicals. If you like what you saw today or learned something new, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out. We do tutorials like this to try and help detailers stay on top of their game, learn something new, and just make it easier to detail.